Photoshop has developed over 16 basic color adjustment functions for us. These adjustment layers can manipulate the color and tone of the layers beneath them. Sometimes a same result can be achieved by different adjustment layers with different methods. What cannot be denied is that each of them has its own unique advantages. Today, let's have a look at the threshold adjustment layer in Photoshop. And I put a download link in the description, which is the PSD source file of this video for you to have a try. First of all, do not go to the top menu and try to use any of the adjustments in the image. It makes you unable to revise any of the adjustments. The pro method is to go to Layer and create a new adjustment layer, or create the adjustment layer in the Layers panel. This way, everything will be changeable anytime after. This is also an easy adjustment. Just go to the Layers panel and create a threshold adjustment. You can see your image go black and white immediately. At the Threshold Properties panel, you have only one slider for the threshold level, and one graphic shows how much black to white information in your image. Slider the threshold level around. You can control the threshold to focus to a point that can preserve image details to the greatest extent. For example, I put the threshold around 70 to give the forest in my image more details. This series of videos will walk you through all the basic adjustment functions in Photoshop. Some are pretty easy, some are kind of more complex, so I've made an experimental PSD file for you. Links in the description, feel free to download and have a try. Don't forget to subscribe and check out this channel often. I'll keep uploading.